Welcome, boys. Today I'm going to have an online class, taking an online class of English version class 7 in agriculture. Already we have started chapter 5. Earlier we have discussed about maize cultivation, tuberose cultivation. Today we'll discuss about cultivation of marigold. So let us start the lesson. Marigold. Marigold is very popular amongst the people of Bangladesh. It is used very much in festivals, celebrations, home decoration and making garlands. Color, structural variety and gracefulness of this flower attract people. Actually, for this reason, people are using marigold and like marigold very much. Marigold leaves can stop bleeding from own place. It is very easy to cultivate, so people cultivate it abundantly in our country. If people have some land, then they want to have some garden, and in everyone's garden there is mandatory one or two marigold plant. So now let us see about its cultivation process. First, we have to know the variety. There are two different varieties that is produced in our country. Number one, African marigold, whose plant grows about 100 centimeter long, and it is only single colored, like only yellow, golden yellow or light orange. And this type of flowers blossoms is large in size. There is another variety of marigold, that is French marigold, which is 10 to 15 centimeter long. This kind of plant is actually bushy, sturdy, and flowers are small in size, and only red color is available in this variety. Now let us know about seedling production. Seedling can grow by two processes. Number one, from seed, and number two, through grafting from a branch of stem. Usually during rainy season, seeds are sown thinly and seedling is produced. Seed bead of marigold is as like as vegetable seed bead, and 1 month of old seedlings are transferred for plantation. This is on the process of growing plants from seed bead. Now let us know about grafting method. Healthy plants are selected for grafting after blossoms. 2.5 centimeter wide and 5 to 10 centimeter long branch should cut off from stem, and then necessary steps, as we have earlier known about grafting method, should take in grafting process. When in 1 month countless roots are come out on that grafted portion, then it is planted. Now let us know about land preparation and plantation. High and loamy field is good for marigold cultivation. By plowing 4 to 5 times and harrowing soil has to be made granular. That means 4 to 5 times plowing and harrowing make the soil granular. It's better to plant saplings at the ending part of rainy season, because on that time there is not that much rain and soil is almost moist. That is very good condition for marigold seed or saplings. The distance from one row to another row should be 60 centimeter, and distance of one plant to another plant should be 45 centimeter. Usually for tubs we planted short type of marigold plants. Now let us know about application of fertilizer. During last tilling of land, 40 kg decomposed cow dung, 1 kg urea, 0.8 kg TSP, 0.7 kg muriate of potash should be mixed well with each decimal land soil. 1 to 1.5 months after plantation, only urea at rate of 0.7 kg per decimal should be utilized. After mixing the fertilizer properly, irrigation to field is mandatory. For planting in tub, 250 gram cow dung manure with TSP, muriate of potash and urea of 1 teaspoon each should mix properly with the soil of each tub. After 1 month of plantation, 1 teaspoon of urea should use again. Now let us know about internurturing. Nurturing. That means what nurturing we have to do after application of fertilizer for the saplings. Weeds are cleared regularly when the plants are young. Realizing the soil texture, 1 to 2 irrigation should provide, but better time for irrigation is after blossoming. If there is not necessary, we don't have to give that much irrigation to the soil. When plant grows a little bigger, cutting up of plants will give more cutting up of tip. If we cut up tip, then there should be more flower in the plant. A bamboo post should be fixed with it so the plant will not cover in stormy wind, winter flower and irrigation by tip. Now let us know the disease and pest control system or management. Marigold plant is not attacked by so many harmful insects except bacterial wilt disease is seen in plant. For this disease, plant dry up from top and plant dries up, which ends with death of plant. That means it starts with the top and then total plant dry up and later on the plant dies. Plant is found in this disease, then plant should be uprooted and burned down. There is only one solution of this disease. Now let us know how we should pluck the flower. Marigold flower should pluck along with peduncle with a scissor. If the peduncle is little longer, then flower remains fresh for a long time. After plucking flowers, water should be sprinkled on the flowers, and then the flowers should send to the market by wrapping in black polythene. Why black polythene? Because black polythene avoid sunshine and other pollution, so it may keep the flowers fresh. So that's all about marigold cultivation. And later on we will know about cultivation process of guava. So I will suggest you to go through the lesson, and then if on next online class you will realize very clearly about guava cultivation. Okay boys, so that is for today. We'll again have a class very soon. Till then, stay safe and be fine. Okay boys, bye.